guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miki. In today's video, let's crochet this cute baby bear cappuccino. Now, let's get started. We're gonna start from the bottom of the cup and we change color in round 7. We're gonna start with a magic ring. Yarn over your little finger, then your index finger, and then your middle finger. Insert the hook, pull out the yarn over, and pull through the loop. Tighten it, and this is a slip knot. Now in this ring, we're gonna make 6 single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch. Now we have 5 more to go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can count the V shape on the side. One V shape is 1 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after you have 6 stitches, tighten the loop by pulling the yarn tail. Take off the stitch marker and insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. This is our round number 1. In round 2, first we're gonna yarn over and pull through the loop. This is our standing stitch. Now in round 2, we should have 6 increase. Increase means you need to have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we're gonna insert the hook into the first stitch and make 2 single crochet in this first stitch. This is the first one, and insert the hook into the same stitch, make another single crochet. So these 2 stitches make 1 increase. Now let's try this again. Insert the hook into the next stitch and make 2 single crochet. This is another increase. And in this round, totally we should have 6 increase. Please finish this round. After you are done with the last stitch, again, you insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. This is round 2. In round 3, again, we have a standing stitch. And in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the second stitch, make 1 increase. Repeat this pattern. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, make 1 increase. Repeat this pattern until you finish this round. In round 4, make a standing stitch, and in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the second stitch, make 1 increase. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet and repeat this pattern. For round 5, make a standing stitch as usual, and we make 3 single crochet. And a 1 increase. Repeat this pattern and finish this round. After you are done with the last stitch, in round 5, when you are connecting with the first stitch, instead of inserting the hook into the whole stitch, we're going to just insert in the front loop. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. In round 6, we need to have 2 standing stitches because we are going to do double crochet. Now, to make double crochet, yarn over and insert the hook into the first stitch and pull out the yarn. Now you should have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. This is your first stitch. And now, in this round, we're gonna do front loop only double crochet. So in the second stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the front loop. The loop closer to you is called front loop. And make a double crochet. Let's try this again. Insert the hook into the front loop. And make a double crochet. So, looks like I skipped 1 stitch, so it happens sometime. Don't worry, you can always try this again. So insert into the front loop and make a double crochet. Insert into the front loop. Make double crochet. And in this round, you should have 30 double crochet. Please finish this round. So this is the last stitch in round 6. And now we're gonna change color. Insert the hook into the first stitch and grab a different color and put the yarn tail on the back. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Tighten the yarn tail on the back. And now in round 7 and in round 8, we're gonna do double crochet and then a front post double crochet. Now first we're gonna have 2 chain stitches as our standing stitch. In the first stitch, we're gonna make 1 double crochet. So as usual, we're gonna insert into the whole stitch. And you can put the yarn tails over the hook to secure the yarn and make 1 double crochet. And then we're gonna do a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the front post. And make 1 double crochet. And next we're gonna make a regular double crochet. So insert the hook into the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet. And in the fourth stitch, make 1 front post only double crochet. And we're gonna just repeat doing it. So this is the last stitch in round 8. When you are connecting with the first stitch, insert the hook into the back loop only. In round 9, we have 1 standing stitch, and in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In this round, we do single crochet on the back loop only. So insert the hook into the back loop, make single crochet in each stitch. Please finish this round. And now we use the same color and follow the same pattern from round 1 to round 5 to make the coffee top layer. After you are done, insert some polyfill and sew these two parts together, or you can stick them together. Now let's make the handle part. First, we make a slip knot. And then we have 11 chain stitches. Yarn over, pull through. So this V shape is your first chain stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now insert the hook into the second stitch, make 1 single crochet. So this is your first stitch. And keep doing single crochet, and you should have 10 single crochet. After you are done, in the last stitch, make a standing stitch and turn to the back. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. And then just keep doing single crochet. After the last stitch, again, make a standing stitch, flip it to the back, insert into the first stitch, and make 1 single crochet. In the end, make a slip knot, pull out the yarn, After you are done, stick it to the cup. Now let's make the bear part. We start with the magic ring. And in round 1, again we have 6 single crochet. Make a slip knot first. In round 2, make 6 increase. This is 1 increase, please finish the other 5 increase. In round 3, have a standing stitch. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the second stitch, make 1 increase. And repeat this pattern. In round 4, we have 18 single crochet. So in each stitch, make 1 single crochet. Please finish this round. For round 5, make a standing stitch, and in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the second stitch, make 1 increase. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet and repeat this pattern. In round 6 and 7, we just do single crochet, and in each round we should have 24 single crochet. And don't forget to have your standing stitch before you start each round. Please finish these 2 rounds. For the ears and paws, we follow the same pattern. We make a slip knot first. And then make 3 chain stitches. Then insert the hook into the first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. And then make a slip knot. And now stick all the parts together. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!